Hey boys and girls, we're going to do our reading group today. We're going to be in the I Do Read Book 2. We are on page 5 and we're going to read about web. You're going to need a pencil for this activity and we're going to mark our long and short vowels and we're also going to put our special sounds in a box. Okay, so go ahead and get your pencil ready. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here we see a pond with a duck and then just outside the pond. Look right here. In our title, we see how many vowels? 1. You're exactly right. So let's go ahead and put a, whoops, Miss Hall's pen went away. Let's put a smile over it. Whoopsie. Okay, let's sound that out together. Web. Web. Okay, let's read and see what we can learn about web. All right, going down to the next line, we see how many vowels? 1. Let's go ahead and put a smile over it. Let's sound it out together. Ready? B-ill, bill. Then we see how many vowels? 1. Let's go ahead and put a smile. G-ot, got. Here we see a special, I'm sorry, a sight word put in a box. Now let's look here. We see 2 things in this word. First, we see 1 vowel, which is short. Next, we see a special sound. When we go to special sounds, we circle them. Miss Hall's pen is not wanting to work. There we go. Okay, CK says k, because that's one of our special sounds. So let's sound it out together. Ready? Duck. Duck. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's read that sentence together. Ready? Get your reading finger and point. Bill got a duck. Good job. Now here, coming down to this line, we've already done Bill one time, so we're going to go ahead and just mark the U. Now let's look here. We see 1 vowel, so we're going to mark it with a smile. Let's sound it out together. Ed, fed. All right, coming to this word, we see 1 vowel. We're going to go ahead and mark it with a smile. Him, him. Good job. And then here you see 1 vowel. We're going to go ahead and mark it with a smile. Let's sound it out. Well, well. Now let's read this whole sentence together. Bill fed him well. Great job, boys and girls. Now, we're going to come down here. We see Bill again. We know we're going to go ahead and mark him with a smile. Right here we see an I. Go ahead and mark it with a smile. Will. Look, Bill and Will. Do they rhyme? Absolutely. Coming over here, we see 2 vowels. We see the A and the E. Put a line over the A. And now mark out your E. Now let's sound it out together. Ready? Aim. Name. Okay. We see that this is a sight word because that S makes the Z sound. So his. Okay. Here, we've done duck before. Let's go back and talk about it though. The U makes a short sound. CK is a special sound, so we circle it. And it says k, duck. And then we know that this was web with a short E. Okay? Now, let's read that sentence together. Bill will name his duck Web. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to read the whole story together. So put your pencil down and get your reading finger and point with me. Here we go. Please use expression and fluency. Fluency means that you get a little faster. Here we go. Ready? Web. Bill got a duck. Bill fed him well. Bill will name his duck Web. So who is Web? Bill's duck. You're exactly right. All right, guys, thanks for reading page 5 with me. I would like for you to practice reading this page with your parents after you have read it with me. Thanks for always doing your best. Miss Hall loves you and misses you.